So y'all, what's up? We here. It's Friday. We are ATV riding right now. Hold on, let me take mine. Yeah. We're ATV riding right now, and it's really cool. We just made it to a waterfall. Yeah, we all in this thing. We're having a good fun. This is our guide. He's the best.
And he got us cold
and
water.
He got us water. We're thirsty. So we go down and check out the waterfall.
Your boy got the full body do-rag out.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got down and threw into 6 shots in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might mystify. Fuck the night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. You know she wanna mine when she tattooed that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. Just that roll myself a J and count my figure shit. Just to stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I dropped 30.
So yeah, we got Q. We're at Coco Beach right now after ATV riding. And we're about to take shots. We're at this place called Coconut. Stay gold. We don't look them out in the arm. It's full of deodorant. But I don't want to be musty. But yeah, we're about to take these little pineapple shots. Pineapple cake shots. So we just got our drinks. I got, what did I get? Mermaid water. She got coconut bulldog. And Marquine got a white apple sangria. It looks so good. Cheers, girls. Ooh, this big ass drink. So y'all, we just about hopped to spot number 2. So Dre, what we drinking on?
Tequila.
Period.
White only.
White only. What you sipping on, Marquine?
Same shit.
How you feel about the white liquor though? What's your...
Scared.
She's scared, y'all. We finna take these shots. We'll be back.
Euphoria. I'm drowning in euphoria. Drowning in euphoria. Euphoria.
Hey y'all, so we're back from our night out, and I just realized that I did not show y'all the villa like at all. So this is where you're coming at. Then you are met with the living room. We got a little messy, but it's not that messy, to be honest. This is the kitchen. It's like a full kitchen. There's not a dishwasher, but they have everything else. So a nice big fridge. I have pots and pans in here if you need stuff, like everything, like dish towels, pots, mixing bowls. They have it all. And then I showed y'all this view when we first got here, but this is the patio. Little plunge pool. We haven't really been in the plunge pool because animals just been running amok in it, and it's just been like, you know, kind of chaotic every time we go outside. It's like some animal approaching us. Emphasis on animals. It was like cats, some animal I ain't never seen in my life. I'm gonna insert that on top of the video right here. But yeah, this is the first bathroom. It's just, you know, a standard little bathroom. This is all my hair stuff. There go me. This is bathroom number 1. This is the master bedroom. This is the bathroom in here. Cute. Then they have this big huge closet space. It actually came with beach stuff, so if you want some beach toys or whatever, you can use that. This is Marquine, you already know her. And you walk down the hallway. You got on your clothes? Okay. This is the other room. I ain't gonna put you on Front Street like that. This Drika, y'all know her. What's up? And this is her closet in here. It's pretty big. They have golf clubs in here. Oh shit, I didn't even know that. They got all this in here. Big closet space. Lots of closet space. So, and then this is the final room. It's like bunk beds and has a washer and dryer. So yeah, that's the villa. It's really cool. I love it. Yeah, so that's the resort. That's the villa. I don't know if y'all can hear the music right now, but they are like our villa is right next to the wet bar, so they're like turning up, partying there. It's Friday night right now. We leave on Monday. We've been here since Tuesday, so we leave on Monday. and it's just honestly been really fun. Tomorrow we're going to Arenal, which is like pretty much the highlight of, which it's pretty gonna be like the highlight of the trip. It's like the big excursion we're doing. We did a really big excursion yesterday at Rincón de la Vieja, which y'all see the footage of. But it's gonna be similar to that, but in Arenal. And they say Arenal is just like a different environment. Like the volcano is different. Like, it's gonna be cool. So I'm excited. Yeah, and it's a different shaped volcano. Like, it's not like the volcano we was at the other day. This one is like a true, like, traditional volcano. Okay. Hopefully it's clear enough so we can see it. Probably by the time we get there, it's not gonna be like cloudy, so we should be able to see it. But did you look it up online? No. Me? You? No, I didn't look it up yet. I was gonna say, if you should look at pictures so you can kind of, you can kind of see what we're seeing, see the vibe. But look at Marquin's pants, they're so cute. They just look cute. Yeah, that's my girl. That's my girl. Yeah, that's my girl. We're gonna have so much fun, but we gotta go to sleep early because they picking us up at 6 a.m. It's like 8. Not fucking around either. Yeah, they're not playing. You gotta be on time. So we're gonna like get ready. Yeah, pack our stuff, take showers and whatnot, so we can be ready tomorrow morning. On time. On time. All right, call us and cuss us out. So we're excited. But no, Marquin, for real, I'm about to show you a picture of it. Say hey, everybody. Hello. Hey, bro. Hey, y'all. So it's currently 6 a.m. Thank you. So hey y'all, we are on our way to Arenal, see a volcano, and do some hiking. We just got picked up from our villa, and the ride is like 3.5 hours, but it's supposed to be a beautiful ride. So, and we're gonna stop and get breakfast too. So yeah, we'll be back.
Ever shoot below the neck. You a rookie, I'm a vet. That's why I got a Glock, you got a tip. Not checkers, these chests. I flooded out my paddock with baguettes. I curved Tiffany, yeah, for Jess. Need to get myself together, I'm a mess. Straight up. Yeah, but keep me bottom.
Thank you, girl. We just made it to our breakfast spot. It's at Lake Arenal. It's known for a really good view. We haven't seen the view yet, so when we do, we're gonna show you. Yeah, but we did kind of see the view of the lake earlier, but like this restaurant has a really good view of it. So we're gonna go eat in a minute. Gonna eat good. Yeah, we're about to go wash our hands and stuff in the bathroom. But we're in like a little gift shop. This is Cafe Macadamia.
But we should keep on drinking all the brandy. He should eat the molly like it's candy. Yeah. Body slam a nigga like I'm Randy. Yeah. I'm a hot hitter. I'm a guap getter. Leave a thot bitter. Get your block hitter. Oh, you think you in a group? Get that shit split up. Tryna suck me laying down, I made that bitch sit up. Yeah, hot box, dirty stick, case closed. We grill beef, nigga charcoal. Selling pussy, hubba, JJ got a barcode. These broke ass niggas need charcoal. Used to use EBT to get seafood. Now Uber Eats when I want Kiku. She wanna hang, gotta let the gang G you. Metro worth a lot of M's, nigga, me too. Hanging off my earlobes is a rock. Hanging off my waistline is a Glock. The body in that casket was a...
We just got to the ziplining place. We're signing our waivers. We already got a look at the volcano, but we're about to sign our waivers, get our paperwork done so we can go flying through the trees. So I'll come back once we're there.
We finished behind the school cable. That's the last plaza.
Oh, okay. Not a lot of walking out like that. We going on the bus. We just did our little practice one. Now we getting on our limo. See y'all in the skies.
What he said he'll kill me. He said he a gangster. He said he a robber. He said he got down. He said he shot Wilson out. He said he the realest thing. Tell me what you gotta say. I don't wanna talk. Don't talk to me. Niggas talk too much. Don't come around tell my shit I did. I ain't saying nothing. Niggas scared of eyes. All I did was look. He ran from it. He had ran away. I tried to hit his back, hit his leg. Nigga went to duck the dust. You know I don't talk a lot. Nigga, that's my translator. Claiming he was solid. Heard life and turned to fantasy. Them niggas don't know stuff. They must use the elevator. The metal stay with me. They still a part of me like Terminator.
Ready?
Yeah. Oh my God.
Yes, I missed those.
You have.
Yeah.
What do you call it?
I don't even remember. I don't think you had a name for it.
Yeah, mimosa.
Mimosa?
Yeah, I mean, the people call it mimosa. Well, I mean, in here in Costa Rica, the people call it dormilona. It's like something like sleep. Yeah.
It's a natural text.
No, it's okay.
What they trying to do to me?
Don't be a punk.
Oh.
You dumb bitch.
Whatever.
Yeah, so we just finished ziplining. Got my first tat in the rainforest. Ooh. Don't play with me.
You can't even see it. Back up.
That way. Oh wait, let me get in the sun. Yeah, first tat in the rainforest.
Oh yeah.
Period. Y'all can't see me. Y'all can't see me in binoculars. Period. So we are currently walking to the waterfall. Had to switch to my camera because you know the iPhone's water resistant. My Canon is not.
It's water
Resistant.
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, that's what we're doing now. Drink is in the front. Boom. So follow us.
How we end up in the bags, trying to get to the bag. We on the same page, in the same way.
Right now, we're at the base of the La Fortuna waterfall. Look at its massive size and hear it roar. Oh my God!
This is just crazy. So y'all, we made it. We made it to the bottom. There y'all.
Around me, so let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting no sleep while we doing nothing.